Right, this is another update on the Mustang project. It looks a bit different. The front end doesn't look like a Mustang anymore. Front end has been taken off. Fenders have been removed for sanding. They'll be painted separately. Just go around the side here. There was some rust just here, which I have plated, and I put some seam sealer over. Now it's dried off. I'm going to spray it black like this as well, ready for stone chip under seal to be sprayed on around here. Door is off, so a lot of stuff has come off. Here, just some surface rust. I'm going to be scraping this back. Rust proofing, which I already have done actually. I'll put some rust stop on here. Again, primer it, ready. The rocker panels are all good. I have finished sanding off and filling in the seams up here. All done. So here's the original door, which I've convinced the owner that we don't need to reskin it. There was some rust here. I cut out the hole over rust and welded in a new piece of steel. And down here, the same thing as well. And that's gone really good. So I just step over the door carefully. Can't remember, I think the back end is all in. It's all been sprayed inside. I have put in filler strips underneath. I got another one to do here. It's a little hole. I'm going to put a filler strip in today to do that. Filler strip is in here. This is done. This side is all sanded off and smoothed in. And today we're taking off this door. And you can see the rust here. And I'm going to do a separate video on how I chop this out and how I rust it. How I remove the rust and put a new steel piece in. And I think something's gone on down here as well. You can see the different color or shade of yellow, right? So I'm going to sand this back and see what's going on. Around this side, same thing, fenders off. No rust. It's all been cleaned off. This is almost ready for painting with Paul 15. I'm going to clean up the suspension, everything else. Not going to take anything apart on this. Looks all good. Everything's fine. And the front grille, headlight housings are all come off. It's almost ready now for sanding down and masking off, and for first primer to go on, which is going to be high build primer. So that's where I am at so far, and I will be posting more as we go along. Thank you for watching so far. Bye for now.